Hello, 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 hello. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another stream of Plane Shift. The first free MMO in existence, many years ago. Believe it or not, that's true. That is true. Hello, my friends. How are you today? Oh, we have a beautiful picture of the day. Picture of the day. Picture of the day is the view of our main city with the arena at the back. This view has changed a lot. Well, this part has changed a lot since we took this screenshot, actually. So, yep. Yep. Okay, let's go in immediately. Let's go in immediately. What I was doing, I was looking at the lights and I was trying to see if I can have a better way to actually know which lights are set. Which lights are set and how they are set. I actually have a panel in my settings where I can see the skyboard light, the skylight intensity, light intensity, fog color, and this light intensity multiplier. And I would like to get this information actually from the skybox. So I think that what I need to do, I need to get my skybox. We have a sky reference. Very nice. We have a sky reference here? Well, if we have a sky reference, that's easy. Yes, we do. Okay, perfect. So we can get our sky reference, and it is a sky BP. Good. So now that we have the sky reference, you know what we're gonna do? We are going to extract this information, but before going there, I need to read how that information is actually set, because we're basically going to do the same but reverse. Hello, Marcelo. Hi. How are you today? So, yeah, so what I want to do, I want to be sure that when we are setting the sky ref, right? I just want to be sure that I'm using the right values. Which is actually part of the different apply, right? Yes, is here. So I just want to be sure that I'm getting the right set fog color and density. But I think it's easier than this. Wait. It's easier than this. Because when I click on apply, yes, when I click on apply, I have my thing here. So default light intensity. Default light intensity. Okay, so for example, this one is this. For example, And I think I would need more space, huh? And the fog color. Now the fog color, I think I'm doing it in a slightly different way. Is fog in scattering color. Fog in scattering color. So in theory, I have to get my fog, and then fog in scattering color. Okay. Now this one is a color, but I think I can still put it in anyway. I think it's fine. I think it will convert to text. Okay. I think it will convert to text fine. And then I have light intensity. Now, light intensity is directional light. Get intensity. Okay. And basically this will allow me to see these values. Another successful day of work. Nice. Very good. And then we have Skylight Intensity, which is different obviously than the other lights. So Skylight, so I get Skylight Intensity. Okay, that should be easy. Get Skylight and get Intensity. Okay, so these ones are easy. And this basically will just allow me to can we make this a bit more normalized than this mess? Let me see if I can. I think I can. Well, this one no, but okay. At least it's slightly more normalized than the previous mess. And what else? And the last one is skybox light. Yes, this is just the color of the skybox. So it's SM skybox scalar parameter light. Okay. No. SM skybox. Okay. Get scalar parameter. Because I think I need to take the texture of that guy, right? Yeah. Set scalar parameter value on materials. So I think I need to get the materials. Actually, there is only one material, I think. I think it's only one material, which is element 0. I assume so. I mean, I'm not super sure, but well, there are a million elements, but actually the only one that I need is the 0 one. So I think yes, I think the first one is okay. So on this one, I don't know if you can do get scalar parameter. No, huh? I think we need to cast it to dynamic. Because I think to have a get scalar parameter value, I need this to be, let me try. Get scalar parameter value. Get scalar parameter value. Get scalar parameter value. What is the difference? There are 3 different get scalar parameter value. Probably is the material instance. But I think it must be a material instance anyway, yeah. Skybox. No, Skybox is actually a material. Cloud density. But for sure we have light. No, we don't. Okay. GG. Strange though. I mean, it's not the most important parameter I need, but I think it was interesting to have it right. Set scalar parameter on materials. SM Skybox. Static mesh dome material, and it is the only material that we have, boys. It is the only material that we have, which is the element 0. I don't understand. Is this SM Skybox, which is actually a material. It's not a material instance, but still it seems that it's somehow accepting a parameter. You see, this parameter light. So there must be a way. Yeah, why when I searched light it didn't find it? Fuck, I don't know. I searched it before here, I'm sure, but anyway. So get material is not, I mean, get material may be okay, but let me try get scalar parameter, the third one. Maybe the third one is a material. They're all material instances though. Material instance constant, material instance dynamic. I cannot put it in. So, get material. Why the audio is so low now? The music just disappeared. I don't know. The question is why? For sure, it's not this one. This one needs the material instance. This one needs material instance as well. So, but if I'm set, so I can set it, but I cannot get it. It seems to be impossible. I can do get parameters, but nah. No, get parameter is not coming out of get material. Because this is a material interface object. Okay, I can cast it to something else, but the point is that my material is actually not... Does light... Maybe light is a standard parameter. No, it's not a standard parameter. It must be a special parameter. Material parameters. See, enable material parameter caching. No, I didn't. But material parameters, it should be the... In fact, it is in the sense that I can set it. I don't understand why get scalar parameter is not real get scalar parameter on material. Get scalar parameter value, but I need it not in an instance. On the instance is easy, but in this case it's not an instance. It's always instance. I don't know, I can make it an instance, but we never touched this and it actually works, so I don't understand why I need to make it an instance. I don't understand why I need to make it an instance. You see that this one is a material. It's not a material instance, right? So the question is... And he has a light parameter. You see this light parameter? So the question is why I cannot get it. Is there another place where I do that? Probably not. Let me try to get the material in another way. Get material index. Yeah, but even if you do that, it will return... no. Get material, there's no way. Well, we can print it out and see which type is it, but I think it will be just a standard material. I can try to cast... I mean, if I cast it to material instance, obviously it will work, but it's not what we need. Material instance constant, material instance dynamic, material instance. Okay, I can cast it to material instance, but it will fail. It will fail for sure, because I think that is not what it is. I think that is not what it is. But we can do it anyway for fun. But so assuming that I have this, then I can, at this point, I can actually get the scalar parameter value, right? At this point, I can do it. And I want to get light. And I want to get this value, but this one, I think this one will fail. I think this one will fail. So I need to call populate lights basically every time I click on the opening of the window. So which we said is where? Which we said is here, eh? So in the setting panel, I will call populate lights, which is just a debug thing, but it's fine. So we just do it for debug purposes. Okay. So now I think if I let me launch the game. Yes, I changed this. I think I would like also to fix the Mac cursor because it's not working. Do you think I saved everything or not? Yeah, seems I did. Good evening, Hula. Bonsoir. Bonsoir à vous. Bonsoir. By the way, I'm trying to commission some new pieces, hopefully. It's always hard to find, you know, the right people. People that have the willingness to learn a bit, you know, about our game and understand the setting and the information. Okay, so basically when I click on this, wow, everything is 0. How is possible? 0 0 0 0 0 0. No, it's not reasonable. It's impossible. Well, I don't know if it's impossible actually. Let me teleport to another place, not there. No, but for sure it's not 0 0 0 0 0. For sure it's not. 100% is not. So why it doesn't translate right? Why doesn't translate right? I mean, it's impossible that it's 0 0 0 0 0. I mean, the only one that can be okay is the fog color, which actually may be. No, but even the fog color, I think would not be 0 0 0. What the? Okay. Okay, loading slowly. No, it's impossible. You know what? I think we are not setting the... That's impossible. I think we are not setting the skybox correctly then. Because it makes no sense. Zero 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 zero. Probably this skybox is not the right skybox. I don't know. I mean, for sure we have a skybox in the game. Target setting panel. Target set. Or this setting panel is not. No, but I don't think so. Also because this. Skyref. Also because we use this Skyref, no? Or not? Actually not. Actually we do get actor of class 0. Okay, let me try to do that 1 second and see if that's the problem. I mean, in theory this flag should be valid, but this one, but maybe it's not. I don't know. Maybe it's not for whatever reason. But if he's not, then I think we have other problems, huh? Okay, let me see. Pa pa para pa pam. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday we have a bit less viewer. Huh? On Sunday we had a peak of like 17 or so. But during the week, okay, let me see if we can get this value. Ah, yes, it's the skybox reference actually which is incorrect, because you see that now we get values. Now we get values. And now we get values. So okay. It's a bit strange that we have the skybox reference bugged. So it means that this object, I mean this pointer, is actually not set properly, basically. It's not set properly. And we should be very, very, very careful in using it, because it's not properly set, huh? So if it's not properly set, yes, because it's used only. Okay. I know the problem. So yeah, because the construction of this window happens before we enter the game, so the skybox is actually not valid. The skybox is not valid. Yes. So we should do what? We should we should do it after teleport to game, or we should never use it. I think we should never use it. We should probably never use it. The problem is that if I but this one works. So how can this work? There is something strange happening here, huh? No, there is something. There is something strange happening here. So it means that the weather is not working anymore, eh? So all this is fucked. Okay, all this is fucked. So, how do I fix it? Because basically now the setting panel is initialized before everything, and the Sky Dome doesn't exist yet, but it's trying to keep a reference to the Sky Dome, which is not there yet. So, or when I enter the game and my Sky Dome is created, yeah, that would be the best way. That would be when the skybox is created. So I think in the begin play of this, but only client side. I think in the begin play of this guy, but this should happen only client side, huh? Ah yes, this is happening. You see, this is happening only client side. I don't know why this is here and it's not before. Is there a reason why this is happening? I mean, we want to activate the ambience. Set actor target component ambience. No. This should happen. I hope I'm not doing any damages, but hopefully not. But in theory, this should happen before, right? So if we are on a dedicated server, just destroy the actor. Because we don't need it. We don't need a skybox there. If we are on the client side, fine. And we go through. And basically as soon as we go through this, I think we can set hello, Mr. Chilled 85. Hey, welcome. Thank you for the follow. We are making a video game. So so this is good. I think I also need to set a reference to this in the setting panel. This is basically what we need. The problem is, will this exist? Yeah. The setting panel exists 100%. The setting panel exists 100%. I think I get it from. I get it from game instance. Huh? I get it from game instance. I mean, this should, in theory, should never happen, huh? This in theory should never happen, but anyway. So I get the I get the settings panel, and from the settings panel I want to set the sky reference. and I want to set the sky reference to this, to self, right? And then we want to go here. And we want to go here even if we fail, I guess. Yes. Okay, so now, I mean, if this worked, in theory, if this actually worked, right, then it means I can go back to the previous version of this. Which was this one. And in theory I should get the values, right? So if this worked, if my change worked, I just don't understand how the change of time during the day was actually working. That is kind of strange. But anyway. There is someone that is in the chat that is called We Love Marbles. Do you think it's someone that joined when we played the marble games? Maybe. Okay, we're just waiting the server to go up. So now as soon as we enter the game, that variable should be set, and so the skybox ref should be valid in our setting panel, and this means that as soon as I click here, I should get my values here. Okay, you see, I have my values. Okay, this is very nice. Why this is very nice? Because now I can do what I wanted to do already yesterday, but I didn't have the technology. But now I have the technology. For example, to go in one of the caves, which is this one, right? And part that I don't remember how to exit, but okay, this cave. And here, now if I open this panel, I will finally see, yes, I will finally see the values that we have set. So we have we have 0.09. Now let me try one thing. So that is at the moment the time is what? The time is 9 in the evening. Okay. So let me set the time to mid of the day. Okay, so now I set it to the middle of the day. So this value should go up. The 1106 should go up. The skylight should go up. I think the lighting. I mean, I don't know these two, but this one for sure, 100%. But this one also should go up. The problem is that, yeah, I'm getting. Yeah, you see, this one is now 0.8. Is 0.8. Now it didn't go. These two didn't go up because actually we are in a dark sector, and we know that we are in a dark sector because okay. So now the question is, I can't read the Twitch chat on your monitor. What do you mean? Is GG? No, it's there, Ulla. It's there, it's there. I see it. So if I see it, you should be able to see it. I understand that it's small, yes, but it's always been that small, no? Or is smaller than usual? No, it's always been that small. It's a bit small, huh? You would like it like this, huh? I know, but if I do it like this, then we cannot see anything else. You know? So you think it's too small? You can make it bigger, but I don't know how big is in my monitor. I mean, do you go full screen or not? Yeah, if I go full screen, I can read it very easy. But I have a big screen, maybe that's the reason. No, Twitch sentence. Ah, okay, sorry. Ah, Twitch is not going in. You are right. Let me try to reconnect it. I don't know. Sometimes it's doing stupid things. In fact, Mr. Chilled actually said something. I come into your channel, you have the word dedicated server, so I need to follow right away as I know how it can be. Yes, it's actually... Let me try to restart the chat, but sometimes it happens, huh? Let me see. Hello. Well, maybe now. Try to say something in Twitch, Ulla. Try to say something. Silence. Absolute silence. Absolute silence. Okay. Whenever you will type something, maybe you are typing and now you said hello. Yeah, it's not working. No, it's not working. It's broken. It's broken. But I cannot fix it. I cannot fix it, man. It's just broken. Sometimes it happens. Okay, so the question now is, what do we do with the caves, right? Because the caves, or we create, you know, a diffuse light like it was in the previous version. We had a diffuse lights everywhere in the caves, but now we don't. I don't know exactly why actually, but did we delete all the lights just because we wanted to delete all the lights or what? I remember we had lights in these levels previously. I'm pretty sure we had lights in these levels. You know what is my problem? My problem is that I will basically have to enable this setting that Ricer told me today, which is two-sided lighting, right? Two-sided lighting. This one, two-sided lighting. If true, this object will be lit as if it received light from both sides of his polygon. I mean, this is not really what I don't know if this is what we want, but the point is that this should basically be, is this the same place or is another place? Let me check. We have this 1 2 3 4 in front of us, and then we have some skeletons here, and then we have something going up. Okay, yeah, so it's this level, 100% is this level. Okay, let's do a test. Let's put this use two-sided lightning here, and use two-sided lightning here, and use two-sided lightning here, and use okay, so let's try to do it in this 4. And now I quit. No, but I think in the caves we need real lights. I don't know if I deleted them or what. Did I delete the lights? I don't know. Okay, let me rebuild the lights for this level. Now, this level in theory has no lights, so it's completely dark, right? So the light maps are 0 everywhere. But the light maps exist. The fact that they are completely black doesn't mean that they don't exist. Yeah, we need to... Yeah, all these things I know. Hello, Ricer. Ah, you see, now Twitch chat is working again. Check the shadow two-sided. Yes. That is exactly what I enabled because I want to see. But I don't know if shadow two-sided is what I want. I know shadow two-sided. Whether this primitive should cast dynamic shadow. Ah, so is this one, not this one. No. Wait. It's not this one then. I think it's the second one. I don't want the first one. I want the second one. Okay, the second one makes more sense. But I remember I had lights. I even remember I had a light importer. Can you believe that? Am I dreaming or what? I think I had a light importer. I think I'm going crazy or... I think I had a light importer, boys. How do I know? Wow, light is coming up in a lot of streams. How can I search through 700 streams? At like 2000 hours or something. GG. We never find it. I will never ever find this. I think I had a script to import the lights. I don't know. I don't know if I'm dreaming, or let me try caves. Some caves. 477. This could be a good one. Wait. This could be a good one. So we're watching our own stream, huh? Ah, no. This one is the new cave. No. Okay, this one I understand. No. I mean, good try, but no. Fuck. I don't know why I have this feeling that I added lighting, because I remember the lights in this level. I remember checking the or were the monsters, but I remember having the lights. So let me check one thing. I think we had a macro. Oh, you can find macro in this mess. I think I had a macro thingy. Where are wait? I don't even remember where are macro, but there is a place where you can have. There is a place. Macro. SG macro. No. Not this. Wait. A BP library. Yeah. A blueprint. No, is blueprint macro? Where is it? Blueprint. Macro. Blueprint macro. Fuck, I don't remember anything. I don't remember anything. No, there are things that, but I did it a long time ago. There are things that you can create, that you can execute on objects. Now, I don't remember if that is... If that is on actors or is on levels, or what the hell is that? I don't remember. Scripted action. Wait. Scripted actions was this one. Scripted action. Check UV, rename. Yes, but no, it was not this one anyway. Yes, but this was the one that I was searching for. Check UV. Shift click to edit the script. Shift click. Yes, you see this one. Where is this thing sitting? What is this object? This object is what? This object is an editor utility blueprint. Yes, exactly. Editor utility blueprint. Okay. No, it was only this one. But where I had some, some tests and stuff, but okay, I think I dreamed about it. I think I dreamed about this thing, but at the same time, I think I dreamed, It was a dream. It was a dream, huh? It was a dream. It was a dream. Build shipping client, calculate faction score, shipping client, bat files, step location, backup, shipping client, pack file. No, it was a dream, huh? But I remember that we had the problem, right? We had the problem to import the lights because we had dozens of lights, right? We had the problem. We had dozens of lights, and so the question was, how the hell do I import the lights? And what was the result of that? And I was like 2 years ago, or even more, maybe 4 years ago. What was the result of that? Because level caves. Because in theory it should be here if... We have no lights, huh? Ah, cave lights. Cave light. So in Blender, actually, we have them. I think I dreamed about this. I really dreamed about this thing. What is this object? It's just a location, huh? It's nothing. This thing is just an empty object, huh? It doesn't exist. No, actually it exists, but it's just a dummy. It's just a dummy. You know that I would pay money to go back in time. I know that a lot of people would pay money to go back in time, but and understand. But I can do some. Wait. I can check our thing. I can do this. I can do this, and maybe I added a comment. I take the caves map, right? I take the caves map and I do SVN log, and we try to understand if maybe I placed the comment like I removed all the lights. Added caves on cave map, lava cave, caves rescaled, reduce cave size, cave scale 1, move caves to a place where it disappears, a bug doesn't happen, relight of cave level. Relight of cave level. You see, this was me. Why I relight the cave level if there were no lights? Update of nav mesh on a persistent level. Fixed coordinate of monster based on blah blah blah. Add sound to cave blah 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 blah. Fixed cave entrances. I don't know, I have the feeling that I lost the lights that were in that level for some reason. I don't understand. Maybe I moved wait. Maybe I moved the level and I didn't move the lights. Because actually we had to move the caves because in May 2020, you see. Because there was a problem. I don't remember, there was a strange problem of disappearing stuff. And so we moved the cave level. We moved the cave level. But as you can see here, we have no lights. We only have... Now, you know what? Because re-importing all those lights is a mess, you know? I mean, recreating... There were like hundreds of lights. I remember I had those lights and I deleted them. I think I deleted them. for some reason. Because, I don't know, they were... Maybe we were using a different system, or... And I deleted all those lights that were here. I remember... Yes. 100%. I remember this. But I remember that they were all selected together. Do you think there is a chance that I can go back and reload the old level? It will never open, huh? It will probably never open. It will never open, huh? It was made with like completely different Unreal Engine. It's a pity that I don't have screenshots or anything of that thing, but it should open. Should open? You think it should open? In theory, it's this level, but I think it's very risky. I mean, I can save it and check it in, and it's super small anyway. Let me just unload it, maybe. I don't think it will load. I think it's too old, but let's see. Maybe it will. I don't know, but it's very, very old. Caves. I think before the movement. I would like to do it before the movement. Yes, exactly. So I would like to do it here, maybe. It is 2 years ago, huh? So update item to revision. Okay. It actually loaded. It actually loaded. But there are no lights. There are no lights. So I dreamed about it, huh? This means I dreamed about it, huh? Okay. Okay, I mean, fine. I can go more back. No, but I think then it was maybe in another life. It was in another life, in another parallel life. Maybe I did something like that, but nah, this one never had lights. Yeah, I think probably I tried. I tried to create an importer and probably I failed. Or something like that. But yes, they are actually loading, which is amazing. I mean, there is stuff of many years ago. And it's still loading. That's insane. No, we never had lights. We never had lights in these caves. Okay. We never had lights. go to the relight commit. We can try. Relight of cave levels. Update item 2 revision. Ah, fuck. I didn't allow him to. Okay, I did it now. I guess. No. There is no... No, because here the concept of relight was to relight with the directional light, so it was a different concept. So we never had light in these caves, basically is what I'm saying, huh? We never had light. I don't know, I'm a bit confused, but it's possible. It's possible that we never had lights. I mean, I could export with a Python script this thing to a CSV, but I don't think it's worth it. But in theory, it's possible. Okay, so I could from Blender I could export these light objects to a CSV. I could load the CSV into a data table in Unreal, and then I could just create a macro or whatever it is, a an editor library, an editor, what was it called? An editor script, or whatever it is. Editor script, which is basically reading the data table and is creating a new actor object. And is creating a light object. So in theory, this is possible. Now, is it worth it? Is it worth it to export this? And maybe it is imports in. Do you think that this thing is importing in Unreal? Wait, let me just a second. If I export but those are not lights, huh? These are, I don't know what they are. I have no idea what these are. I have no idea. Hey, UART level caves. UART level caves. No, but I cannot import into a level. No, I cannot import into a level. There must be a way, though. Is there a way to import lights? Maybe Datasmith or whatever. Apart from the fact that those are not lights. But let's assume for a second that they are. I have no idea. Let me see what happens if I try to import that export, but obviously we'll find nothing. It will find no objects, I think. It will just say that the file is empty. I mean, for sure it will say that the file is empty. Cave. Export light. Yeah. There is basically... There is no mesh found, or yeah, so it's basically saying there is nothing to import and I cannot import, right? But if I actually have a light, do you think it's somehow... Probably not, huh? No, it doesn't. He's saying that nothing exists. Datasmith import option. Lights. Specify whether datasmith or not should include lights from your source file in the scene hierarchy, maintaining datasmith scene, and create light texture in your level to represent them. Yeah. With datasmith is possible. Which is interesting, huh? Isn't datasmith now included in Unreal, right? No. Datasmith. I don't have the button. Probably because maybe it's a plugin you need to enable. Yes. Yes, you basically need to input. You basically need to, I think, enable this. But then, will it work with Blender or will it work only with 3ds Max and Maya? But yes, Datasmith can do it. At least in theory can do it. But anyway, we don't have it in the source file. Because I mean, these things, not these things. These things, cave light. I think are actually imported from the original file, which was a max file. And they came in this way. Which are kind of dummy objects, right? I think these are dummy objects. These are like axes, yes, you see plain axes, so... I mean, it's a bit of a pity because it means I have to redo it. Because actually I also had the light colors associated, you know. I also had the light colors associated. I think it would be kind of an interesting project, but I think it's a bit of a waste of time. But in theory, I have, because, you know, if I go in the old game, there is the old game, and I go under world, and I go, no wait, what? Wait a second. What? Wait. If I go, because it was not here. It was not here. It was not here. The levels were generated by me outside of the repo. Yes, exactly. So in theory, we should have the lights in here somewhere. I don't know where, but we should. We should have the light. Here it is. Here it is. Here are the lights. Here are the lights. Yes. There is also the color. There is the color and the position. Now, it's not so. Yeah, this will be the easiest to import. You know, so this will be the easiest to import. This will be the easiest to import. Can I really import from an XML or from whatever format? Can we import from XML? I mean, I could do it myself, but the problem is, I mean, you can read an XML. Yes, we do it already. I mean, I could do it in C++. I could read that XML. You know, I could read this. I could read this and generate. Marcellum, are you still here? Marcellum, you are here, right? You remember when you said that you were generating boxes from an image or something, right? How were you reading the image or whatever? I think you sent it to me, huh? What was the name of the project? What was the name of the project? In Blender. It was not in Unreal, eh? I was in Blender. So you were doing the reading in Blender and the generation in Blender, not in Unreal, huh? I see. I see. Yeah, but in theory, you know, in theory it's fairly easy. In theory it's fairly easy. Because if I have a bunch of lights, can I then... So let's assume for a second that I can... Let's assume for a second that I can get my lights. Oh my god, this is too... test map. So let's assume for a second that I can import my lights. Right, so I have a way to import my lights, but unfortunately they will not be in the right scale nor in the right position. So they will have the relative position to each other correct, but they will not have the correct scaling between, right? So if I select them all, what do I need to do? I can group them, and then I can scale the group. No, I cannot scale the group. No, I cannot scale the group. So I will have to scale it in the C++. Which is okay. I mean, I can do it. I'm just evaluating if it's faster for me to read an XML file or to manually place all the lights in the level, you know? I mean, in theory, it's not too complex. In theory, is the problem is if I create an importer and this importer is creating the lights, how do I create the lights in the editor? Because that's the problem. How do I create stuff in the editor, right? Because I can create a light in the world. I can spawn a light, but I don't know how to create an object in the editor. I think you can create an object in the editor only with the macro, the one that I was saying before, with the editor blueprint. This thing. So I think here you can create an object if you want. So you can get editor world. Create lights. Create proxy mesh actor. Add actor to layer. Spawn actor from object. Spawn actor from object. Object to use. Light. Now the problem is that spawn actor from class. Point light. Okay. So in theory, if I can read that XML into a data table and then read the data table, and you know, so so this would be possible, huh? This would be possible. This would be possible. The problem is the problem is light position. DT light fuck, I cannot type sometimes. 10, 10, 10. Fuck. 20, 20, 20. 15, 8, 100. Right. Get data table. Get data table row names. Light position. Get data table row. DT light position. Fuck the color. Okay, we also need to put the color obviously, but there would be something like set light color or something. Yeah, there would be a set light color, but that I think is fine. So basically now if I run this thing, if I run this thing, the problem is that this level, let me get a level that has nothing. Come on, I don't want to save it. So if I'm here, right, and I say scripted action, create lights. You see the lights? So he actually created the lights. Yeah, I think I will do it. I think it's fun. It's fun enough. Now the positions are okay, I assume, and whatever. 10, 10, 10, and 15, 8, 100. Okay, so you actually created the lights, right? So yeah, the point is that we can do it now. This is the easiest way. So we need to. The only problem is that we need to read. The only problem is that we needed to oh fuck, I don't remember. How do I export as what? I think I can export as no? Ah, yes. So I was selecting the struct and not the... So basically I exported into this, huh? Not the greatest idea. Fuck, where did I export it? Ah, there. Okay. I thought I exported in completely another place, but fine. Okay, so basically if we can get our thing in this format, you know, if we get our lights in this format, we can create them in Unreal fairly easy, right? The problem is getting it in this format. Also considering that X and Y are unfortunately different because this was a different coordinate system. So X and Y are inverted, but that's fairly easy because I can invert... no, I think I will have to parse it anyway. I will have to parse it. So there is cave 01. I'm trying to understand if I can do it in the simplest way possible, right? But if I can do it in the simplest way possible. I don't know if I can. Maybe I can. Maybe I cannot. So this would be cave 01, right? Cave 01 lights. Cave 01 lights. Now there is also the radius. The radius will be the attenuation for us, right? I feel it's still going to require a lot of tweaking due to how just these different light systems are. Yes. Probably yes, but at least I will have them in the right position. With the right... in the right position. With the right radius and the right color. And if you want to scale just the attenuation, I can scale it in the Excel file, right? So the only point is to basically remove any lights line. Keep probably I need to read it with a program though, but the idea would be to get these coordinates, right? To get these coordinates, and which I can do fairly easy. And then put these coordinates into a file. And then we can manipulate this file that we want. Because, for example, we need to invert Y and Z. Because Y and Z are actually... and also we need to transform this from meters to centimeters. So there are a bit of, you know, manipulation to do. So I need this. I need this into an Excel file. But I need it horizontally. Right? So I think that the best would be to have lights and lights. How do I do it? I do it with a separate program, or I do it with I mean, it's a bit useless, huh? I mean, this thing we do it only for these three levels, huh? We do it only for these 3 levels. Do we have more levels to do it? I think no, yes, also the lava cave. 4 levels. Yeah, 4 levels. We do it for 4 levels, I think. But anyways, is a lot. I mean, it's like 50 or 60 lights. Look at how many lights there are only in this level. There are so many. How many lights we have? I don't know. But we have 54. We have 54 lights. Do you think I can do it quick? I'm thinking, what is the easiest way that we can do it? The easiest way that we can do it would be to create a new project using fxml node and read this file. Is there a simplest way I can do it in another program or another language? The point is that it must be a language that I know. Can I... I could do it even in Excel, but in Excel I have the problem of the multi-line. I have the problem of the multi-line. Because otherwise I could get... No, I need to do it in XML. I need to read in XML. It's so much easier. It's so much easier. Okay. I think we can try. Will not be very easy, but I think we can try. So basically the idea would be... I don't know if I already have a project that is reading XML, but apart from PlaneShift itself, I don't know if I have a test project. Well, the launcher is doing it. The launcher is reading a lot of XML, but I don't think I have any project at the moment that can do that by default. Lighting it manually will be quicker. Yeah, but you will have to create about 150 lights. I mean, 50 for each level, roughly. And then decide the color of each one, decide the position of each one, and decide the distance of each one. I don't know. I think it's interesting anyway. Let me try a few minutes. If I hit a wall, I will stop. But I think it's not that complex. I think it's not that complex. The only problem is that we need a command line thingy. Can we create a command line or not? I mean, it's like my server, right? We just need a begin play. We don't need anything else. We need a begin play, and import lights. Let's go, boys. We are doing it. We are doing it. I don't know. Maybe this thing will be useful in the future. I don't know. It could be. It could be that we will use it for something else. I don't know. It's something that I never did in Unreal, and so I'm feeling is an interesting thing to do. I mean, how many times we will have to read XML to import stuff? I think it will happen again. I don't know why, but I'm sure it will happen again. So I think it's a good idea to do it anyway. I use more unique lights in a single level. Yeah, this is a single level. 54 in a single level. You mean 150? They will be unique because they will have their own color and radius and thing, you know? Can we do it in 1 hour? I don't know if we can do it in 1 hour. In theory, yes. It's very simple in reality. I think we can do it even. I mean, if I don't get any stupid blocker meaning like the project is not reading XML the proper way, you know, stupid stuff like that. But I have everything already in my mind in terms of what we should do, and I also have the code because I parsed the XML a million times in PlaneShift in Unreal. So the only problem is if this guy is generating the projects in the wrong Visual Studio version, like it seems like he's doing. Let me see. Unreal projects, import lights. I think he created in Visual Studio 16. What is doing? There is a Visual Studio running super slow. Where is this Visual Studio? What is doing? It disappeared. It magically disappeared. The auto magically disappeared. Oh no, it's here again. I cannot move it to your win. It's on the other monitor for some reason. But it is the old Visual Studio, no? 2015. Why did it in 2015? Okay, anyway, we don't care if it did in 2015 because we are going to regenerate project files and pointing to our 426. Which, by the way, is not anymore 426. The folder is called 426, but it's 427. Yeah, the reason is that I upgraded it. Yeah, it's called U426, but it's actually 27. Okay, so we're going to do this, and then we are going to open this, but we're going to open it in 22, right? Now, the only thing I need to do, I need to add fxml node if it's not by default in the import light, primary game module. Ah, fuck. The problem is that there is not even a begin play. Fuck. There is not even a begin play. So the empty project is basically really empty. But it's okay. We can open our PlaneShift project. Right. And so what do we have? We have a game mode. Yes, we have a game mode. Game mode for sure is getting executed. We just need in game mode. We need a begin play or something, or just the initializer. We don't care. We just need. There is an init game. Supposedly the right place to init your game. There is an init game, which I hope is getting called. But I think the initializer can even be okay. But hopefully, init game is the right one. Otherwise, what do we have? We have the name of our project. But the name of our project, which would be in theory PS Unreal. But no, PS Unreal is not the place. So the game mode is the place, because I think the game mode is the one that is getting called. So I hope that this one is getting called really at the beginning. I'm not sure, but I hope so. Oops. So in theory, this one, right, will... This is also an interesting test, because we understand if we want to generate... If you want to generate a batch program with Unreal or anything like that, it will be like this, right? Now, ulog, yeah, ulog can be okay. Okay, let me see if it compiles like that. And then let me see while it compiles if I have in my build XML parser. Yes, XML parser. So we need to add it to our build XML parser, which is the one that allows us to... No! It did it in the editor. Okay. Because we also have an editor. Yes, obviously we also have an editor. So the game, actually we can play the game. So he has a minimum level actually. It's not completely empty. He has like an empty map. I mean, not that we need it, but extra module names. Public dependency. New string import lights. So I think here we need only, I don't know why there is all this mess, but like UMG, HTTP, online subsystem, input core, engine core. But I think all this stuff should be default actually. I use more unique light in a single level. A lot of fake lights to fake global illumination. Yeah, it actually succeeded. Can we launch it and see if it's printing out something? So if I launch it like this, do you think I see in the message log something like our printout or not? No, but if I run it in debug mode, wait. If I run it in debug mode, do you think that we will see our game mode getting initialized or not? Let me close the editor because I don't think we need the editor anyway. Building project failed, he said? Well, if you say building project failed, then okay. Wait. Because we don't have a game mode. Wait. Because we don't. Yeah. Starting as an editor as a default. Okay. Because as a default, it starts in editor mode, and the reason is that here we have in command line, right? In command line, we should have game, I think. It's not calling. Okay, I mean we have something, but it's not calling. It's not calling any game mode. I don't know why. It's not calling this line. It's not calling this line. So actually it is executing, but init game. Who's calling init game? But I mean, the engine should call init game. Why is not calling init game? I don't understand it. Maybe because the game mode is not this game mode. I think it probably was easier if I would have done it with a third person thing. Game mode. Let me just check one thing on game mode. Unreal game mode. Init game. Hello, who joined? Hello, JM. Thank you for your subscription on YouTube. Warning, this is called before actor pre-initialize. Yeah, okay, fine, but please call it. I just need you to call something. Initialize the game. The game mode init game event is called before any other function. It's used by the game mode to initialize parameter response and helper class. Okay, bro, but if you don't call it... So I'm just asking you to call it. I'm not asking anything special. You know? I'm not asking anything special. I think the game mode at the moment is not initialized in this project. So basically, I think we don't even have... It's strange because he created the game mode though. He created the game mode class himself. So I was expecting... No, Hey, you need game, bro. Let's do this. Unreal blank project init game. I just need one function to be called, whatever. It can be any function, I don't care. Oh my god. GG. Yeah, this is the thing that I didn't want to incur on. So that there was something that was blocking me to just putting my code in and getting it executed. Fuck. I think because this project probably doesn't have my own. Yeah. Wait. I think I know how to do. I know what to do. Wait, I think I know what to do. Let's go again in editor mode, and let's go in again in editor mode. 1 second, and we will go in the properties, and we will set the game mode to be this one, and probably then it will start. Hopefully. So here we are in the in the project setting, right? If I go under where is that? Is under where is it, boys? Where is it? Yeah, game mode, default game mode. Perfect. This one was the one that we were missing. Okay, now I think it will actually run that function. I just need to go back in minus game. Right? Hopefully it will run this code now. Set the game mode in the editor. Yes, exactly. Now you're on this journey. Transform the CSV to Excel script in Python and macro, creating a plugin. You see that he's executing it? Easy, boys. Okay, we have the entry. We have the entry point. Very nice, very nice. Okay, now we need to do this. We need just to be sure that we can use. So now we just need to read the file. Okay, And reading a file, I did it a million times. I think the easiest way, I don't know. Let me just search .xml and maybe, yeah, exactly like this. Load emotes. Yes, exactly. Exactly this. Nearly identical. Well, not identical, but anyway. So we have our file. XML file, XML. No, you don't like it? I should be able to have XML node if we imported XML, huh? Hello, who joined? Hello, Michael Martelli. Your last name sounds Italian, but thank you for the subscription on YouTube. I should get that automatically. I'm just a bit confused of why it's saying that XML file is not found if I have my, but anyway. So we will have to define our XML file, right? And our XML, so we start from the project directory, which I think is okay. And then we will say caves01, caves01, whatever. Cave01.txt, okay? Why is not finding my XML file? I imported it in the project setting, and which is this one, XML parser. So in theory, maybe I need another import, huh? Let me just check in my notes. Let me check in my notes. Maybe I said that somehow. XML file, include XML parser. I said that in my notes. You see that the notes are always useful, boys? Seems they are not, but they are. No, but not here. Sorry, I put it in a stupid place. Do you do it? Can you get it? What do you mean? What? Ah, wait. He was saying you cannot find it. Why you cannot find it? Why you cannot find it? We are importing game mode. Should I import? Why cannot find it, boys? Why? XML parser.h is not the right guy. Is under engine something? Why my note is wrong? Would it be better to make it an editor utility? No. No. It's much easier like this because I already have all the code, so it's not. Include XML parser.h in your projects and add XML parser to your. Yeah, I did it. I did it, but it doesn't work. Hey, bro, my project is this, huh? I mean, do I need to go engine, whatever? I hope not. So in my target file, I added XML parser, right? And probably I need to put it here. Wait. Probably I need to put it there, and then I need to import my... Let me see if he finds it here. If he finds it here, I think we are good, huh? But then I will have to import my import lights. But I think I do it already. No, I don't. Okay, so I can include my import lights. Okay, let me try if like this he can do it. Because if you're doing it in a game mode, it will only execute in runtime. No, but it is step one. That is just creating the data table. Then everything we will do it in plane shift. Yes, in the editor. I already created in the editor the macro, so it's here already. This one is already working. This create lights is already working. It's just reading the data table. What I need now is just to read the data table. The rest is already done. I just need this freaking thing to include my file, and then it will be done in 10 minutes. Identifier XML file not found. Include cannot open XML parser. Fuck. Why? Why cannot open an XML parser? Why? Why? Why you cannot find it? Cannot open XML parser. Why? Why so annoying? Why? Is under yes, is here. Is under XML parser. Is under XML parser, public XML parser. I mean, it's there. I don't know. Maybe I need to call it this way. No, it doesn't like it. Fuck, why? I don't think you need a runtime thingy. Fuck. Now you see it, but this is not the way to call it anyway. This is not the way to call it. I mean, you can also call it that way, but it should not be the right. I don't think it's the way. What? fxml file cannot be referenced is a deleted function. Are you crazy? Yeah, you see, it's not the right way to call it. XML file is a deleted function. What? What are you smoking? Probably because my include is not right, huh? Probably because my include is not right. Bro, I use it in my... What? Because he wants what the fuck? What the fuck is going on here? File. No, it doesn't even find it. No, it doesn't find it. It's not working. Basically, it's not working. It's not including XML file. So okay, let me check 1 second here in my project. XML file.h. I don't think we are including it, but maybe we are. Yes, we are. We are including it under... No, he's including it. He's including it under XML file.cpp, but that we don't care. What I care is if we are including it in my project. No, you see, we are not including it. We are not including it. We are not including it. XML parser. Or is not taking the... Wait. Include XML parser. We have it in PS Quest. Only there? Seems to be a bit strange that we have it only there. We have it in PS Quest, and we have it in Character Inventory, and that's it. There's something fishy going on here. There is something fishy going on here. No, we have it basically in every place where we use it. So this should be the way. I don't know why it's not working. In theory, you know, it should be like, it should just be like this, but it doesn't see it. I should not be calling it like I did here. This one is wrong. This one is wrong, 100%. I don't know why it's not seeing the... I don't understand. In my project is in PlaneShift, this include is working. In the separate project is not working. Hello Garu, hi. Hello Filthy Remake. Hey, how are you? We started a thing and I knew that I would get a stupid roadblock on something that has nothing to do with what I want to do. Right? I knew it, I was sure. And actually it's happening. So it's simply that I cannot import properly the XML parser for some reason. Maybe it's because in the game mode. Let me see if I do it here. If I do it here, does it find it or no? No, it doesn't find it. It doesn't find it. It doesn't give a shit. Crap. Okay. I understand why. I understood why. It's my fault. 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 It was the wrong file. Fuck. Okay. So now I think it will get it in the build. No, now you have it. Public dependency names. Public dependency module names is this one. Public dependency module name. XML parser. I added it here, right? So it cannot fail me. Cannot fail me now. Because actually, yes, he was in the wrong place. No, come on. Please. Wait. No, it's still failing. It's still failing. It's still failing. It's still failing. Why? Redeem GG didn't work. Why? Strange. Strange that it didn't work. Fuck. Come on. Why I have to waste time on this? Please. Please. It's basically not in the right place, okay? So this XML, so it doesn't like this for whatever reason. It doesn't like that for whatever reason. XML file is undefined. And wherever I place this, is not able to import it. Wherever I place it, is not able to import it. Why? Cannot find file XML importer. Do I need to enable it? Is it a plugin? I need to enable it from the editor or for whatever reason. Hello. Who joined? Hello, Ice Craig. Hey, thank you for the follow. We are fighting a very stupid problem, and it's really a pity because at this time we would have finished the job already. But at this time we would have finished our work already. But since we cannot import this, because we started a clean project. We started a clean project, and because I wanted to do it on a clean, I wanted to do a test on a clean project, right? And I decided to, and I want to just read XML stuff, right? But for some reason it's not. Is not. You may need to regenerate your project files. Really? Fuck you. If is this the reason, I kill you. You need to regenerate your project files. Really? Okay. If that's the solution, that would be easy. That would be easy. Import target, import lights. I don't think it's a plugin, I think it's a library. What do you mean for sure? Of course. Okay, of course. Did you write your own server? Yes. I mean, partially. I mean, not completely. Like, we are using a real engine. We are using a real engine, and then we are... Now he sees it. Okay, that's good, that's good. What the fuck? It gives an error in skeletal mesh? What do you want? Bro, skeletal mesh, are you serious? Ah, because it's void, sorry. Have you heard of OWS? No, I didn't. What is the name? What is the long name? Oh, we succeeded. Finally. Okay, so this is what I wanted to do. Yes, we had to regenerate the freaking file. Yes, we had to. Holy shit. Okay, so the only thing that we want to do, we want to basically read this XML file, right? We want to read this, correct? And we want to skip the light name. Do we want the light name? I don't even know if we want the light name. I don't think we want the light name. So the light name, we will skip it. I mean, we may use it in the future, but maybe we can auto-generate the light name. The attenuation, we don't care. The only thing that we care is the center, the radius, and the color, okay? So... So What is this? I don't know what is this. Now I don't think I need to create a struct or anything. I think we don't give a, you know. Right. So I think we just concatenate a string for now. That's the easiest. We don't care about anything else. So we want to get the attribute X, Y, and Z. And we want to get it wasn't there a get attribute as int or something like that? No? Get attribute get attribute, huh? But get attribute, if I need to get it as I need to do this, huh? These are what? Floats? These are all floats, huh? These are all floats. So I need to get it as this. Okay. I need to get it as this. Okay. Easy. Easy life. Okay, so we get the attribute as a float. And then we need to get nothing else. In this center, we don't need anything else. And then we need radius and color. Then we need radius and color. Yeah, I don't know why it's called the emote actually, but anyway, should be called light. Yes, should be called light node. I'm just copy pasting too much, huh? So we need a radius and color, but color is a bit more complex though, because color is what? Color has sub thingies. Yes, 3 of them. Why continue to copy this emote node? I don't know. So radius we need only the value. There is no tag, it's just the value. So radius will be I think there is what? Get value, get content, get content. Get content, get content. And then we need color, we need red, green, and blue. Red, green, and blue. I don't know, I think we can reuse this thing in the future, you know. I think I will actually put it in Subversion, I mean in our thingy. Okay. So I don't know if you want to count how many lights, but I think lights num is the same. Lights num is fine. Okay, let's see what it does. We need a caves, and we need a caves 1 txt. What is the name of this guy? Caves light, cave lights txt, caves light txt. Copy full file path to clipboard. So we don't go in project dir, we just go direct. We do this. Do I need to escape it? Do I need to escape it? No, probably not. Open world server. An open source Unreal Engine is instance manager. I remember one that I was discussing long time ago. Maybe it's that one. How do you want it? You want it this way, huh? You want it this way. Okay. I remember, yes, probably, I don't remember if it was the same name, but long time ago, there was a guy that proposed me to use his own instanced server thingy. And, yeah, but basically we don't need it. We don't need any of that. Okay, so it seems that we are reading lights or not. We are not. Fuck. Why we skip this? I don't know. The root tag is actually lights, yes. Anyway. We got 54 lights. Ah, it's starting to work, huh? It's starting to work. Fuck. For every light, I need to go to his children. Yes, exactly. Because light, these are children of the light. So actually, I need to do something like this again. So for every light node, I need to go in and scan the light node, right? Why not? Why not? So let's call it, I don't know, light properties, a bit longer. Light props. Let's call it light props. Light props, because there is for every light. Uh-oh, I did a mess. No, it's correct. Light prop. So this will be light prop node then. Fuck, I need to change it on everything. Light node. No. Fuck. I knew it. Okay, but it's okay. Okay, like this. Open world server. No, I didn't see it. What you don't like? Declaration of I hides previous declaration. Annoying. Okay, you are right. You are actually right. Visual Studio fixing even the ugliest problems. The funny thing is that it goes in 3D. Even if we don't need it, but it's going in 3D. I don't know if there is a way to create a command line, you know, kind of thingy. What happened? Okay. Yes. Correct. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Okay, good. It's working. Okay, it's working. So basically it's reading the data. Nice. Now that it's reading the data, the only thing that we need to do We need to generate a file that looks like this, okay? We need to generate a file that looks like that. Well, I can even avoid generating a file. I can print it on the log and fuck it. Or not. No, maybe it's too evil. It's too evil to print it on the log. Yeah, it's a bit evil, I would say. I mean, it is a bit evil. But I don't think we care. Yeah, it is a bit evil, but we can do it. By the way, these variables, yeah, we need these variables to be, declared outside. I mean, it's a bit, otherwise it's kind of shitty, right? I mean, I did it just to test that it was reading the variables, but actually we need all this stuff. We need it outside, initialized for every light, so it's not. Okay. Okay. So now that we have our thingy, and we scanned our light, we can prepare the output, okay? And preparing the output is actually very easy, because preparing the output, output string, what it would be? It would be what? I don't know. We need that thingy. We need an open parenthesis x equal %f and comma, yeah, comma y equal %f and z equal %f, and then close parenthesis, and I think nothing else. And in theory we need a row number. We need a row number. A row name. I don't want a row name. Why we need it? Anyway, we have for some reason we have a row name. Okay. I think it's mandatory, so we will keep the row name. Okay, the row name will be a number and will be our count, so will be our I index. So we will do I. We will do %d, and then how do we separate this thing? By semicolon, no? We separate it by semicolon or what? Light test. No, by comma? Okay. Are you sure you're not making a mess? Okay. Are you sure you're not making a mess? I think you will make a mess. I think you will make a mess. Now let's output only the second one. The first I would just put a number and GG. So for now we only extract the X, Y, and Z, okay? For now we only do this. And then, very simply, then it will be better to output to a file, you know, but I'm very lazy at the moment. And so we will not. And so we will just put it on the log. Right? What? Wait. Cannot do it this way. we will just put it on the log. Okay. Pumpkin time. What is pumpkin time? Asset pipeline is the most annoying and frustrating thing in game dev. What is a pain in the ass when you get skin mentioned imported probably in Unreal? Yes, I think that. I mean, it's probably. I don't know if it's the most annoying thing in game dev because there are other things like performances, you know, where you don't know why your game performs as shit, but it's performing as shit. And I would say the lights recently also added to the list of stuff that is annoying, but yeah. I think I don't have a console, so I will never see my log. That's a good point. I think we need something like minus console or minus log. Minus log, I always forget. Minus log or minus console? Minus console. It should launch another window, eh? Probably it's minus log, I don't know. Probably it's minus log. Minus log. I just wanted to launch another window when launching my project. Yeah, exactly like that. Minus log. Okay. Minus log. So I think we can just jump to the end, you know? We can just jump to the end and see it explode. Okay, it did it. Ah, look at this beautiful thing. Look at this beautiful thing. Ah, so beautiful. Ah, so beautiful. Ah. Okay, so now we have this. Now we have this, right? Easy. Easy life. And now we do this, you know? Because we don't care, because we are lazy. And now we do this. And now we do... Well, I will have to multiply by 100, I guess, but it's fine. Because it is 227 centimeters, so... Yeah, maybe let me multiply by 100, because otherwise... It's a bit stupid. So let's go in centimeters, because those were actually... so also the radius will have to be multiplied by 100, and yes, that's it. So let me redo it 1 second, so... But we have it, boys. We have it. We have it. We have it, and it's working. You don't believe me, huh? You don't believe me, but you will see it. You will see it in a second. You will see it, and you will say, oh, wow. You will say, ah, really? Yeah, there is a bit of manual parsing at the moment. I could make it, you know. I could make it so that it's automatically saved to the CSV and blah blah blah, but you know, I can just do this. You will see it, boys. You will see it. Okay, look. Look. You see this? You see this? Okay, you see it, you see it. You believe? You believe or you don't believe? Do you believe or you don't believe? Again, now. Look, now. Scripted action. Create lights. Broop. Broop. Look at this. Ah, yes. X and Y and Z needs to be inverted. Y and Z needs to be inverted. Okay. Fair enough. I forgot. Because in Crystal Space, in the old engine, we had a different coordinate system. So I need to switch Z and Y. But it's done, boys. It's done. What is the name of the thing that let you choose the redeems? Yeah, Streamlabs. Yeah, Streamlabs is not speaking today, yeah? It's not speaking. It's a bit lazy, but I can send you the link. Streamlabs, I think is streamlabs.com. Dashboard? No. Cloud something? No. I think Hula has it. Oh my god. I don't know. I think it was like Streamlabs. Streamlabs redeem. Streamlabs redeem points. No. Streamlabs Cloudbot. Yeah. Cloudbot. I don't remember, boys. In theory. Okay, fuck it. Let me authorize whatever I need to authorize. I think it's not working though today. Redeem commands. No, loyalty. Yes, but where do I see the loyalty store? Cloudbot. I think it's Cloudbot. It's this thing, but Cloudbot. I think there should be a Cloudbot and GG! I don't know, boys. I don't know. Let me finish this thing. But okay, wait. What were we doing? Ah, yes. We are executing this. Someone said GG, so it kind of worked. Okay. So these are my numbers. These are my numbers. These are my numbers. I want my numbers. Okay. Boom. So we take that. We put it here. Right? You see it, huh? Do you see it or no? We re-import the data table. And now we just click on scripted action, create lights. And magically, boom, here we have it. You see? We have all our lights. Exactly in the position that they were previously. Scaled by 100. So I think it's even scaled properly, maybe. I think it's probably even scaled properly. This is Cave 01, huh? This is Cave 01. You know what will be the only problem? The rotation. The rotation will be a mess. If it's not the right rotation. But basically now, if I open my maps, right? It logged me into the admin, not the user. No, that's not that one. It's another link. Fuck, I have to put it in my bookmarks actually. I don't know why I don't have it here in my bookmarks.
You've done well.
You've done well. Yeah, exactly that one. And also the Twitch chat seems to be dead, by the way. I don't know. Okay, if I open my caves, look at my caves, and I go into my cave 01, right? I go into my cave 01, and I go here, right? And now I say, the only problem is that it will not be in this position. right? So I will have to move everything that is getting created. Because if now I say... What? No. Who asked you to load that map? Fuck. Okay, for some reason he decided to load another map, but because I right-clicked on something. But if I do create lights, okay, he created all the lights, as you can see. And the problem is that those, you see, those lights are very far away, but it's not a big issue because we can actually move them. We can actually move our lights around. Now, I don't know which level he created it. He created in the current level, yes. So we can move our lights. And I'm sorry, this is a bit of a spoiler because you see the whole map of the cave, but I don't know what to say. Now, the only problem would be... yeah, the rotation. And unfortunately, as I was expecting, I think we are rotated the other way. So like, I think that this is the entrance. And which can go left or right. And it goes here, and then it goes there, and then it goes down and right. It goes right. Well, no. Is it the right map? There is another map. Is it the right map? That's a good question. Because it seems that there are like two levels, one on top of each other. No, the problem is that it's also mirrored. Is it possible? I mean, for sure here is the start. And then it goes straight, and then it goes left or right, right? If I go left, I found a small room on the left. But here, if I start here, and I go left, I don't find a small room on the left. If I go right, I go down, and then I find a small room on the right. So, it seems to be not only upside down, but also rotated completely. So I should rotate this 180 degrees on the x-axis. How can I do that? Can I rotate a group of... This is what I knew it. How can I rotate a group of objects in the editor all together? I need to rotate all of this. But if I do this, I think it will not work. Ah! It does. Okay, why before it was not doing it? Okay, nice. So if it works, then it's easier than I was thinking, because we can see if this is the thing or not. Wait, I don't understand. Wait, no, let me. And by the way, we are also taking a light that has nothing to do with us. I think it's this one, probably. No? I think we got another light which is super far away that is rotating with us. Yes, this one. I don't know what is that one. Alright, fine. We got another light. This one. I cannot do it. But anyway, because if I just rotate it this way, 180, right? I don't think we are in the right position. I think the entrance is here, but I think the entrance is... I will also have to import the color. You see that is exactly upside down. So it's 180 like this. But the problem is that now it's fucked in the other way. You know what I'm fearing is that I have a problem with the X and the Y. I don't know. I don't understand if it's. I mean, the positions should be correct. You know, the position should be correct. The only way it may mess up is if it was a bit above ground and a bit below ground, which obviously it is, because the Y is sometimes negative, sometimes positive. So it was going along the z-axis in Unreal. And I don't understand why it doesn't match, because in theory, you see, this is exactly this. Like I can match this L shape, you know, with this L shape, because this L shape is this L shape 100%, right? And this is this, but then I think it was this way, right? It was like this way. So this way, this way, this way, this way. But then when we go into another level, right? When we go down, instead of going up, we go down. So that's the problem. And in fact, you see that this one was here above. So it's mirrored. Is mirrored. So it's minus x. Yeah, it's minus. Wait a second. It's minus. I think it's minus x. I think we need to minus x. Whatever it is, I think we need to minus x. We need to negate x. So we can multiply by minus 100. And then we will mirror horizontally, right? And then we will mirror horizontally. I don't know. Let me try. Let me try, my friends. Then we need to import the color and the radius, but that should be easy at this point. That should be very, very easy. Okay, I removed all the lights. Succeeded. Okay, let's launch it again. Yeah, and I should have it write a file maybe, but I'm kind of lazy. And we need this thing to run only 3 times, so probably, you know, we can also continue like this. I mean, it's fast enough. You know, it's a save, then I go in the right editor, I go here, I refresh, and I re-import, and do I need to save it? Maybe. And then I get all my lights. And the only problem is to ensure that you are not messing up with other lights, but we will try to ensure that. So now in theory it should be mirrored, and I think I will have only to... Ah, yes, now is right. Now is right. Now is right. Now it looks right. Now it looks, well... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah, no. Because anyway, there is this rotation 180. Yes. There is this rotation 180. Wait. There is this rotation. I think it's matching. I think it's matching. Believe. Believe. Believe, boys. Believe. Look. Light, 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 light. Light, 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 light. Light, light. Light. Light, light, light. Light, light, light. Light. Is perfect. It's working perfectly. Now we just need to decide a vertical, you know, so if it's here or here or here, but we just need to decide a vertical, but and then the radius. I think that I don't know if the radius was 12 for everything or not. 12, 12, 12, 12. No, sometimes it's 10. I don't know. There is a bit of a... The majority is 12 anyway. It worked! It worked! We did it in 1 hour! Well, actually, it could have been faster, but at least now we have a setup, you know? We have a setup for a very simple project that can run whatever we want, and it can run separately. Now, the only problem is that it's starting a 3D view, which which we really don't need, right? I mean, it's starting a 3D view. What the fuck happened? I think I pressed some shift or stuff and I enabled some weird stuff in the console. But anyway, you know, obviously we don't need this 3D view, but I mean, we have it. At the end, it's an Unreal project, so even if it's completely blank, it does this, you know. Okay, mission accomplished. So I will add the colors, I will add the radius, and then I will import these 3 maps. The good news is that we could also import from other maps. I think we only have the lava cave, which is probably also using lights, and I can use the same system, so I think it's probably 4 maps. And the Death Realm, anyway, I redid it manually fully, so... Yeah, we got a method and a system. If you want this project, I can send it to you if anyone wants it. I think it's... I mean, it's simple enough, but I can zip it up and send it to you if any one of you needs it. Okay, good. Nice. Nice. That's all for today, so I think I'm gonna go, boys. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, I want to do the new release, but I also want to fix these lights in all our levels so that they look nice, right? So that they look nice. Yeah. I think I make my face bigger when I go away now, right? It's a new thing that I'm doing, right? Very nice. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna go. So if you want to click on follow on Twitch and subscribe on YouTube, that would be very nice. And also if you want to do a bit more for us, if you're really feeling that you really like our project, you can go to patreon.com/planeshift, right? And wow, the volume. And you can become a patron. You get access to the alpha of the game, and you get access to some videos that I'm posting, like this one about the shrines and other stuff. And what we do with the money? With the money, we make commissions for the game to make more content. So, you know, the more Patreon, the more content. Nice. See you. Bye-bye.